Today we will work this beanie together. I use two colors. It has wool inside also, and I haven't used whole skein. Half of them, half from the both of them. It's easy to crochet and very quick. It's 27 centimeters and the high is 24. Let's begin. For the bunny that I'm gonna make today, I'll use these two colors and my hook is 3 and 50. I'll make slip knot and 11 chains. Single crochet to the second chain from the hook, and we'll make single crochets only until the end of the row. One chain and return our work. Single crochet at the back loop. We will make only single crochets at the back loops. One chain and we are turning our work again, single crochet at the back loops. We'll make as long as we need. I have finished my first part of my work. It's about 50 centimeters. It's flexible, so I'll not crochet more. And now I'll show you how to join. I'll pull through my first stitch from here, then I'll leave inside my tail, I'll crochet this stitch, the back loop, and then here at the first, yarn over and pull through all of it together. From the next stitch, this one only, the second from here, yarn over and pull through all together. This here and all together. I have joined my work here. I made a chain and now I will make single crochet all around. I'll take this and this, yarn over and make single crochet. Here these two only and single crochet. I have finished my row. Now we'll join this row and I'll add the new color. Slip stitch here. So we have joined the row and we will make a knot here. Three chains, double crochet at the next stitch, one chain, skip the next stitch and double crochet again at the next, one chain and skip the stitch, double crochet, one chain, skip the next stitch and double crochet in the next two stitches, skip. Our work will be like this. We will do the same until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the row. I'll make one chain, skip this one and change our yarn in the back, and make slip stitch here, one chain, yarn over, and we will make 3 double crochets here at the stitch we haven't crocheted. One, two, and 3. 3 double crochet at the next stitch that we haven't crocheted. We have skipped it. Here. We will do the same here also. At the next. We are at the end of the row. We'll make here slip stitch, change our color, and now here one slip stitch more, 1, 2, 3 chains, double crochet in the next stitch, one chain, skip one stitch, double crochet again, one chain, slip one stitch, skip, sorry, and double crochet here, one chain, skip the first stitch, double crochet in the two here. We will meet at the end of the row again. I'm at the end of the row. I'll make slip knot here and change my color. Oops, wrong. Here slip knot. One chain and 3 double crochet at the stitch we have skipped from the previous row. Here 3 double crochet at the same stitch. We'll crochet with this way, one with one color and the second one. I have made 5 rows with the second color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'll begin the decreases. I'll make 3 double crochet here, 2 double crochet in the second. Again here 3 double crochets and 2. So we will make 3 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 3, 2. After the decrease we made here in this row, we crochet the second color with double crochet, skip one stitch, double crochet, skip, double crochet, skip. And now in this row we will make decreases again with the same way. 3 double crochet here, and then 2 double crochet, three, and 2. So we have again 3, 2, 3, 2. After the second decreases, we will make 1 chain, skip 1 loop here, double crochet at the next stitch, 1 chain, skip 1, and 2 double crochet next to each other. In this row we will have increases again, 3 at the next 2 double crochets, again 2, and now 3. So we will work 3, 2, 2. I have made 3, 2, 3, and 2, 2 again. In the previous row we have made 3 double crochet together and then 2 together, 2 together, 3, 2. At this decrease, 3, 1, 2, 3 with 2 and 1 with 3. So we work 3, 2, 2, 2. Now we will crochet the second color and then we will make only 2 double crochets in each stitch. At this row we have 3 double crochet together, 1, 2, 3 with 2 double crochets. Here we have only 2 double crochets at each stitch, and at the last row we have 1 double crochet at each stitch. If you will add pom-pom, you don't have to make anything else, just make the pom-pom and sew. If we don't, we have a hole here. We will crochet it with double crochet or single crochet to close this one. I have crocheted it here also because I don't want any pom-pom, and I have here the tails. I'll make knots, and then I'll hide the tails here, and our beanie is ready. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.